how to turn on or turn off gallery, sync stories or backup stories with OneDrive Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up your picture gallery. Then tap on the menu key. Next, from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Then we go to the top and tap on Sync with OneDrive. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Now go down and tap on Sync Stories. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When this is turned on, your gallery stories will be back up to OneDrive. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your gallery or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.